What's up, y'all? It's Saturday morning. Just got done working out, about to go home, eat some breakfast. That part I ordered for that Mini XRX came in, so hopefully we can get that installed. I'll post a video about that later on. This video I got posted right now, it's just a continuation on the C10. We pulled the motor, installed a new motor, and did a lot of other things to it that you'll see in the video. Right now the videos are just kind of snippets of pictures with some previous videos that I've had. I kind of did it already and moved on to my next project, but I figured I would post those right now while it warmed up and this winter storm passed through. So stay tuned to the future. Got a pretty sweet build that I'm working on right now and a few other ones that are coming up. So we'll see how they go. I hope you like it. Right here is just a picture of how it first started. I have another picture of the motor that we just installed. Running some new wiring for a push to start. That didn't come with keys. We also installed a floor shifter. Had to cut it out, bolt it down. This is just showing how low the front end is. So to match that, we did a C-notch, a bolt-on, and a weld. There is it all dropped in the back. Here we got a video of us starting it, adjusting the carburetor, making sure we got it running good. We also tested the transmission, put it in reverse and drive.
There you go. Yeah, that'll be $2,000.
Here's a picture of it painted. The floor shifter we installed. We also picked up a SRT 8 300 that I pulled the front seats out of and the center console and installed it. I installed the carpet. Here's a passenger view. Here's another picture of it all painted. A front view. Here's us posted up before we head to the house for the night. That's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Like I said, in the future videos, it'll be more hands-on because I'll be actively doing the project. This was just something to get me past this winter storm that we got. I picked up a welder, not the best one, but got to do some welding on some go-karts and my next project that I'm currently working on. So I hope y'all stay tuned, like, subscribe, share the channel. I appreciate it.